So, friends, as I was telling about the loans, see, once you get addicted and get a habit of taking loans. You take one, two, or more than two loans at a time. These private banks, they get the opportunity to dig you, and they spoil your bank statement like anything. Now, how do they do these things? Initially, they get your ECS or your check from you, and they get your signatures on all the documents. And once you have filled all the documents, the product has been sold to you. Now it's time for you to pay the EMIs. Now EMIs, what does that consist of? EMIs is actually the whole cost of the product plus the interest that is levied on that. So if you are not paying the actual uh, if you are not paying the interest on it, so your EMIs won't be fulfilled. So they have in totality they make that so many EMIs you have to pay. Otherwise, there'll be a penalty on your bank statement, and you have to pay more amount on it. To my personal experience, these private banks, if you have taken loans from them, each and every day they make you very much perturbed, and they will disturb you. They will try to give calls from you. They are different agents because there are so many unemployed people whom they have hired by giving some small small amount of money, who are also in a not in a very good condition, so they get the job and then they start the work of doing collection. That is, the collection department starts working. What do this collection department does? See, if you take loan from any private bank, you will receive calls from all over India or all over uh, the world, from where this bank has branches and all. Suppose you are living in a city, you think that you will be receiving calls only from the city, but it doesn't happen so. In a day, you will get 4 or 5 calls or more than that, and messages are unlimited. And your mobile will become the work of your mobile will be only for checking messages and receiving calls. What do you do that? Is there any provision to get come out of this problem? See, even you are paying the EMIs, they still want you to pay more, and they will tell that since you have signed on the ECS, we are charging money from you, and you need to pay the whole loan amount at once. That has happened with me, so I am telling it to you. As far as so, what is the first step you need to take? First thing is that you need to write a mail to these private banks or the bank from where you have taken loan, that you are already doing the things right correctly, and you are not doing anything incorrectly. So they will receive the mail and they will not reply to it. They will send a computer generated mail to you or any, and they won't respond to your queries. Now, second thing, since you still keep on getting these messages and calls, you need to reach to your main branch. You need to reach to your branch on whom this loan is associated. That is the home branch. The home branch, if it is a good branch, they may help you up to certain level, but still they are also a bank, so they may not be in a condition, or they may not like it, they may not respond to you, and they will put the ball in the bank's court, saying that the policy of the government is that uh, RBI is that you need to uh, pay the money once you have taken the loan. And when you ask them, see, I am already paying the loan, EMIs and all, they won't answer your question, and they will give you one liner that you have not paid, or you have done this, you have done that. So now you will start getting a message from both banks, your home bank from where on in which you have your account, and from the bank from where you have taken the loan. Now what you will do? Third step is to keep on sending mails to both these banks, telling your problems, so that they come to know that you are noticing everything, and you know that uh, they will come to know that you are correct, and they are uh, putting their burden onto you. So this is basically a business that's going on in some of the countries where uh, it's the best way to fetch money from the customers, because most of the people are not employed. Even if they are employed and they take loans, employed people can generally they may be in a position to pay the loan, and they know things about loans and all, but sometimes they also get stuck into these loan collection agents. Last step is to write to the government of India, or the RBI, or any of the institution of your country, that is monetary institution which monitors these banks. Tell them your problem, that you are facing such and such things. So, and you may get some resolution. And till then, you need to keep on sending mails to these two banks, one from which you are associated, and another one from where you have taken the loan. So friends, as far as the loans are concerned, this is my own experience. I hope if you like it, press the like button. If you would like to subscribe my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you. Bye.